The SIMSEN 95oz Dehumidifier, Model 7000, efficiently reduces humidity in spaces up to 720 square feet. This dehumidifier features a generous 95-ounce water tank and a convenient drain hose, eliminating the need for daily water disposal. It operates quietly with a whisper-quiet sleep mode, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep without disturbances. The device includes colorful atmosphere lights that can be customized to create a pleasant and romantic ambiance in any room. Suitable for various rooms like bathrooms, bedrooms, and kitchens, it helps maintain a comfortable environment by keeping moisture levels below 45%. SIMSEN offers excellent customer service with a 60-day exchange and refund policy, a 2-year warranty, and lifetime technical support.